You can always tell a professional electrician did a switch. The screws line up. I wonder if it's on a GFI.
Tell me it's a flipped house without telling me it's a flipped house. Yeah, the roof looks really good, except for that. It looks like they took out the cabinets and the walls. Yep. We have a nice little outlet in the floor that we can plug into the downstairs. The flooring in the living room is mint. The kitchen backsplash was done perfectly. My favorite part is the door trim. Man, that stuff looks good. Baseboards usually look good when they're tacked. Oh, look, we already have water damage. I've never seen that kind of transition. This inspection should be fun.
Oh!
That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. You can't use it, you can't inspect it. It serves no purpose. I need 4 of them. If I could find the individual that designed and built this house, I would kiss you on the mouth. So this house is damn near immaculate. And surprisingly enough, it's on a crawl space, not a basement, not a slab. Because normally you wouldn't find a crawl space in something this big, that's what she said. So long story short, the house has foundation vents, and I completely went around 5 or 6 times, and I could not find a crawl space entrance. Anywhere. Like it doesn't exist. AJ, how do you know it's just not on a basement or on a slab? Well, coming out on the back deck, we can see that we have the main level, and then we have about 5 or 6 feet, which is indicative of crawl space. So long story short, I forget about it. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the house ready for the inspection. I go in, turn the lights, open the doors, get everything ready like I normally do. This is a very common layout. Main entrance, bedroom, bathroom, closet, basement door. Wait, what? And it hit me. Courthouse records show no basement. This door goes to the crawl space. If the housing market in 2022 could be described in one video, it would be this one. I'm inspecting a home that's been flipped, and I'm in the middle bedroom on the top floor, and I noted that it did not have a permanent heating source installed. And that's because it doesn't. There is no permanent heating source installed in this bedroom whatsoever. There's nothing in the ceiling, there's nothing in the floor. It's just gone. It doesn't exist. So I break out my thermal camera because surely these people are smart enough to not cover a distribution source, right? So here we are just minding our own business, scanning the room with a thermal camera just to be on the safe side, and then we find it right there. And the carpet is of course loose because they covered the vent.